Best Android emulators for low-end PCs. Don't buy a new computer. Do you have an older, slower PC, but you still want to run your favorite Android games and apps? You've probably tried an emulator, and it was a disaster. Laggy, buggy, and just painful. The good news is, you don't need to buy a brand new computer. In this video, I'm going to show you the best Android emulators specifically designed for low-end PCs. We're talking smooth performance, light resource usage, and no more frustrating lag. When you have a low-end PC, the biggest enemy is resource drain. Most popular emulators are too heavy, gobbling up your RAM and CPU. The trick is to find those hidden gems that are built to be lightweight and efficient. So let's dive into the top picks that will bring your Android apps to life even on an old machine. 1. Emuplay, the surprisingly smooth performer. Emuplay is often overlooked, but it's a fantastic choice for low-end PCs. Why? Because it's built to be super customizable. You can easily tweak the CPU and RAM allocation in its settings, allowing you to fine-tune it perfectly for your weak hardware. This means you can give it just enough power to run smoothly without overwhelming your system. It's known for its stable performance and clean interface, which isn't packed with tons of distracting features. If you want a good balance of features and efficiency, Emuplay is a solid starting point for getting those Android apps running on an older machine. 2. LDPlayer, the gaming speedster on a budget. If gaming is your main goal and you have a slightly less than powerful PC, LDPlayer should be your next stop. Especially the latest versions like LDPlayer 9 have made huge strides in optimizing for performance and using fewer resources. What makes it great for low-end machines? It's simply designed to be fast and responsive even with minimal resources. It's not overloaded with extra features, focusing instead on delivering a smooth gaming experience with great keyboard mapping. It might not be the absolute lightest, but its efficiency for gaming is outstanding on weaker hardware. 3. Phoenix OS. Transform your PC into an Android device. This one is a bit different, but incredibly powerful for low-end machines. Phoenix OS isn't just an emulator, it's a full Android operating system that you can install alongside Windows, or even on a USB drive. It literally turns your old laptop into a powerful Android device. Because it runs directly on your hardware, you get insane performance compared to traditional emulators. It's much lighter and faster, especially for gaming. The downside, installation is a bit more technical, and it means booting into a different OS. But if you're comfortable with that, it's easily the best performance boost for a very old PC. 4. Android Studio Emulator. Barebones and reliable for specific use. Okay, this one is primarily for developers, but it's worth mentioning for its sheer stability and basic functionality. The emulator built into Android Studio might look intimidating, but once set up, it's incredibly lightweight and runs stock Android without any extra bloat. It uses less overhead than many other emulators. The final advice for your low-end PC. Don't give up on playing your favorite mobile games or using Android apps just because your PC isn't a beast. The key is to adjust settings. Always reduce CPU, RAM, and resolution settings in your chosen emulator. Close background apps. Make sure nothing else is running that can slow down your PC. Test different versions. Sometimes an older version of an emulator actually runs better on really old hardware. Whether you go with Emuplay for its balance, LDPlayer for gaming speed, or even dive into Phoenix OS for a full Android transformation, there are powerful options out there. If this video helped you bring your Android apps to life on your old computer, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which emulator saved your low-end PC. Peace.